Hi, this is Jerry Griakos, GR14CS317. This is my experiment number 9 for Unix and Linux lab. So, experiment number 9 is for inter-process communication using pipes. There are two types of pipes, named pipe and unnamed pipe. So, named pipe uses just one process. It creates a pipe and writes a string to the pipe. For unnamed pipe, similarly, the parent process creates the pipe and writes a string to the pipe. So, we'll be executing two programs. First one for the named pipe. So, we'll take a look at that program. So this is the program. So we have included all the necessary header files such as stdio.h, std library, string, unistd, etc. So inside the int main function, we have declared we have created two files. It is indicated by the fd, and inside the bracket there is 2. Then we have the variables n bytes, I, id, child, pid, etc. Then we have two strings, one for string and one for rb. So using the pipe system call, we create we string the two processes that we have declared in the beginning, and if the pipe is created, we get the value id is equal to 0. If that is not the case, then we print the statement that pipe is not created. Then we print the parent process id, which is the process id of the particular process we are executing. Then we ask the user to enter the string, and the string is taken in using the scanf into the variable string. And we, using the write system call, we write that value into the first file that we created, and the length of that particular file is declared. And we check, we have a child process, process being created using fork system call, and the child's process id and the parent process id is being is displayed. And then we using the read command, we read the particular file that is being written into the second file, which is fd of 0, and we go through each of the items in the file and check if any of that value in the string rb has the value of any vowels a, e, i, o, u. And if that is the case, then we change that particular vowel value into uppercase using the toUpper function, and we print out the received string rb using the printf statement. So we'll run the program. So in the name pipe, we have the two files, we have the two operations working in the same file. So it's asking for the, so we see that E and I, which are the vowels, have been capitalized, and we says the process ID and the parent process ID has been displayed. So we'll take a look at the next program, which is the writing program for the unnamed pipe. So we have included all the necessary header files, and inside the main function we declare the file and the ID variable, and we also have a buffer string. And using the mk node, we use the mk node system call in the unnamed pipe creation. So we have declared the name of the file as my pipe, and 0755 is the permissions that we give. For example, for read we have 4, for write we have 2, for execution we have 1. So the user's permission and the group for permission has been given, and the way of operation is mentioned using for first and first out. And then we check if the pipe has been created, if id is equal to 0. If that is not the case, then we say that the pipe has not been created. Then we ask the user to enter the string, and it's being taken in using the scanf variable into the buffer string. And we open the file called mypipe, which we created using mk node before, and that particular value is stored in the fd. It has the permissions to read and write only, and the file whichever the user enters is written into the file that we opened fd, and we close the particular file. So now we have to take a look at the next program to read. So this is the program to read. We have included all the necessary header files just like the one before. Inside the main function, we have declared a file and the string, and we have opened the mypipe file with the permissions read and write using the open system call, and the value of stored in fd, and we read the value that is being stored in the fd using the read system call from the fd file using the size buffer, and we print the statement using the buff string. We'll execute the program. Pipe created, enter the string, So we enter the string, okay, and we will execute the second one. Buffer in pipe, we see that whatever string we entered before has been displayed. So the piping works. So piping is the intercommunication between the processes. We see that a named pipe just uses one file, whereas an unnamed pipe uses two files, one to read and one to write. Thank you.